In a landscape where mortgage rates and housing prices have soared to unprecedented heights and available properties are becoming scarcer by the day, the housing market has both sellers and buyers on edge. As of September 2023, the median price tag for an existing home in the United States stood at a substantial $394,300, marking the third consecutive month of year-over-year price hikes. Meanwhile, by late October, the 30-year mortgage rate had surged to a staggering 8.01%, a figure not witnessed in over 2 decades. Housing affordability in the upcoming year will be molded by the interplay of home prices, mortgage rates, and available inventory. Are you curious to know which direction these trends are poised to take? Stay tuned to discover the insights of our experts regarding the 2024 real estate market. What will happen to the housing market in 2024? In 2022, interest rates experienced a remarkable doubling, largely attributed to the Federal Reserve's relentless battle against inflation. These elevated rates have endured ever since. While it's worth noting that the Federal Reserve doesn't directly dictate mortgage rates, mortgage lenders closely follow their lead, resulting in mortgage rates rising alongside the Fed's extensive series of rate hikes. The Federal Reserve's ongoing campaign against inflation may see its conclusion shortly. However, the consensus among experts is that buyers will continue to grapple with the financial pressure in 2024. As long as the economy maintains its momentum, the era of heightened rates is here to stay, warns analysts. A sudden economic downturn may cause mortgage rates to decline significantly, but it's essential to be cautious about such a wish. Home values are projected to appreciate at a rather modest rate, typically in the low to mid-single-digit range across most regions of the nation. If you're finding these insights valuable, make sure to subscribe to our channel right now. By doing so, you'll ensure you stay informed with more content like this in the future. Don't miss out on the latest updates in the real estate market. Will housing sales decline? While the stability of home prices has been a prevailing theme this year, there's been a noticeable softening in the volume of home sales. As per data from the National Association of Realtors, NAR, existing home sales in September 2023 dwindled to an annual rate of 3.96 million homes, reflecting a substantial 15.4% year-over-year decline. Yet the trajectory of these trends could shift in 2024 if mortgage rates take a dip. If mortgage rates retreat, we can anticipate a resurgence of both buyers and sellers in the market, reinvigorating the flow of American households, explains NAR's chief economist Lawrence Yun. Chen Zhao, the head of the economics team at Redfin, suggests, "We foresee a mild uptick in housing sales compared to this year. However, it's essential to acknowledge that we don't anticipate a substantial surge in sales, as interest rates are projected to remain above 6%. Selma Hepp, chief economist at CoreLogic, adds, "Lower mortgage rates are poised to stimulate home sales activity, which is anticipated to see growth in 2024 when compared to 2023. A reduction in mortgage rates will entice more homeowners to list their properties, ultimately bolstering the inventory in the market and increasing transaction volumes." Will housing inventory increase? Turning our attention to the crucial matter of housing supply, the scarcity of available properties has been a dominant theme throughout 2023. As of September, the total number of existing homes available for sale stood at a mere 113 million units, reflecting an 8.1% drop from the previous year. This number equates to a meager 3.4-month supply, far below the typical 5 to 6 months required for a well-balanced market. Yun emphasized earlier this year, the deficiency of available homes for sale is a stark reality. The market could easily accommodate a twofold increase in inventory. To witness substantial enhancements in inventory levels, there would need to be a surge of homeowners listing their current properties or a substantial influx of newly constructed homes entering the market. While both scenarios appear somewhat improbable, Yun envisions a modest upswing in housing inventory for 2024. "We anticipate a rise in home construction, and more existing homeowners may be inclined to part ways with their low-rate mortgages and put their properties up for sale," he anticipates. Will home prices go down? The real estate market has been ablaze with surging housing prices, hitting historic peaks. The median price in September, standing at $394,300, was a mere $20,000 shy of the highest monthly home price ever documented by the NAR, which was $413,800 recorded in June 2022. The burning question on everyone's mind, will home prices see a decline in 2024? The consensus, led by Yun, leans towards a negative outlook. We anticipate a modest 3 to 4% increase in home prices, he predicts. Zhao underscores the intricate link between prices and housing inventory. Sellers are likely to hold on to their low interest rates rather than opt for higher ones, thus keeping inventory in check, she explains. With time, more homeowners may be compelled to sell due to life circumstances, potentially elevating inventory from its current lackluster levels, but a substantial increase is improbable. This implies that prices are unlikely to experience a year-over-year decline unless there's a notable drop in demand. Will 2024 be a buyer's or seller's market? In the current real estate landscape, the limited housing inventory tips the scales in favor of sellers. With more prospective buyers than available homes, each property hitting the market assumes the status of a coveted commodity, its desirability amplified by the dearth of alternatives. Without a substantial surge in inventory, the seller's market appears poised to persist into the next year. The existing and substantial inventory deficit makes it challenging for a shift towards a buyer's market shortly, asserts HEP. Zhao chimes in, stating, considering the expectations regarding interest rates and supply, it's likely that demand will continue to outstrip supply, mirroring the present conditions. Supply is projected to remain below the threshold of what we would consider a balanced market. McBride adds a dose of reality to the discourse, observing, the affliction of scant inventory won't find a quick remedy, but the impact of elevated mortgage rates is expected to usher in a more balanced market in 2024. Sellers may increasingly find themselves making concessions on closing costs or rate buydowns, while buyers should exercise caution to avoid overextending themselves financially. Home prices have hit record highs in most markets, financing costs are at their highest point in over 2 decades, and insurance expenses have surged in many coastal areas. Bargains are in short supply, and the wisdom to walk away might turn out to be a prudent decision. The convergence of elevated mortgage rates, soaring home values, and scant housing supply sets the stage for a demanding real estate market in 2024, presenting challenges for both buyers and sellers. However, if, as forecasted by some experts, rates undergo a cooling-off period in 2024, we can anticipate a surge in market activity. Given the intricacies of the current real estate landscape, it's become increasingly prudent to rely on the expertise of a seasoned local real estate agent. Whether you're contemplating entry into the market as a buyer or a seller in 2024, entrusting a professional to guide you is a wise choice. In conclusion, we've delved into the intricate dynamics of the 2024 real estate market, contemplating whether it's a favorable landscape for buyers or sellers. The evolving factors of mortgage rates, home prices, and inventory levels have left both sides of the market facing challenges and opportunities. If you found this discussion insightful and are eager to make the most of your real estate endeavors, we encourage you to explore another valuable resource. Just click on the video displayed on your screen to uncover essential insights into real estate mistakes to avoid. By understanding the pitfalls to watch out for, you'll be better equipped to navigate the ever-evolving real estate landscape. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to sharing more valuable information with you in the future.